You may watch the calibration process video for the professional level 3D scanner. Today, I want to talk about the importance of calibration. First, what is calibration? Calibration is calibrating the scanner to ensure the most accurate data, scanning, and alignment. In other words, it makes the scanner more accurate so that you can get best scan results. Secondly, why do we need to calibrate our scanners? Usually, the scanner has been accurately calibrated before shipping from the factory. However, the camera's accuracy may be affected for the following reasons. After a long time using, long-distance transportation, changes in the environment, external forces, and violent collisions. Under such conditions, the camera's default settings will deviate from the optimum. Thirdly, what will happen if you don't calibrate the scanner? It will improve scanning accuracy. The result looks terrible, and the model's dimensions are no longer reliable. Here is an example.